In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your liked posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're revisiting a helpful article or catching up on industry insights you've previously engaged with, knowing how to access your liked content is indeed a valuable skill on this professional platform. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to enter your credentials, and once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, ready to explore. Now let's direct our attention to the top of the page where you'll notice your profile icon, often referred to as the Me icon. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to accessing various personal settings and visibility options. As you do this, a convenient drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a range of choices to enhance your LinkedIn experience. From the drop-down menu, you should locate and click on the Posts and Activity section. Here's where the organizational magic happens. It's essentially your activity hub on LinkedIn. By default, what you'll see initially is a list of all the posts you've personally created. However, if you're like me and haven't made any posts recently, this area might seem a bit bare. But don't worry, our focus is on the content you've shown interest in by reacting to it. Adjacent to the Posts tab, you'll find the Reactions tab. Clicking on this will unveil a compilation of all the posts you've liked or reacted to in some capacity. It's like a personalized archive of your engagement history, helping you easily revisit and reflect on past interactions. Once you're in this section, feel free to browse through the list thoroughly. It's an excellent opportunity to revisit content that sparked your interest or perhaps had valuable information you wanted to mull over again. If there's a specific post you're looking for, this is the perfect space to locate it and dive back into the content. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep track of your liked posts on LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the like button to show your support, subscribing to this channel for more insightful tutorials, and clicking on the bell icon to ensure you're notified whenever we upload new content. Your engagement truly matters, and we're excited to continue providing you with valuable guidance in navigating professional platforms. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy networking.